What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your wallpaper on a Windows PC or laptop. Changing your desktop background is a simple way to personalize your computer, and there are a couple ways to do it. If you already have an image saved on your computer that you'd like to use as your wallpaper, the quickest method is to locate the image file. Once you find it, right-click on the image and select Set as Desktop Background from the menu. This instantly sets the image as your wallpaper. If you want more customization options, you can do this through the personalization settings in Windows. To access this, right-click on any blank area of your desktop and then click on Personalize in the context menu. This will open the Windows Settings panel for personalization. In the Personalization menu, select Background from the list of options. Here, you can choose from multiple options. Picture, you can select one of the default sample images provided by Windows, or click Browse to locate and use a photo saved on your computer. Solid color, if you prefer a clean and minimal look, you can choose a solid color as your background. And a slideshow. This option allows you to select a folder containing multiple images. Windows will cycle through these images as your wallpaper at intervals you can customize. Once you've chosen your preferred background, your changes will apply immediately. If you selected a slideshow, you can further adjust settings like the time interval for switching images. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.